Hi guys, my name is Michelle and welcome to my channel. I make time-lapse videos of how I did my paintings. In this painting, I was painting a juvenile gorilla. I have not painted any black-furred animals. When looking at the reference photo, I had not much idea how was I going to paint this. You can see on my canvas there's a silhouette of the gorilla's shape. I thought I would first paint in the color diluted with medium, then I would use a cloth to wipe away the highlighted area on the gorilla. But the problem was there's not much highlighted area, only on its face. The rest is his black fur, so that didn't work out. I wiped away the whole silhouette and changed my approach. I then decided I should draw the gorilla on a paper, then transfer it to the canvas. As the canvas was painted with color that has medium in it already, I had to use oil transfer instead of charcoal. I painted the back of the paper that has my gorilla drawing on it with burnt umber straight from the tube and transferred the image onto the canvas. The lines are not as clear as I hoped them to be, but I'll just have to start from here anyhow. After that, I went into blocking the darkest area. I used red, green and blue to mix my black and grays. And I mixed 3 tones of grey for the gorilla's face. After the black, I painted in the darkest grey area, the mid-tone and lastly the lightest area on the face. For the background, I wanted something like a fantasy. I love rainbow, so I painted it with rainbow color. I painted the first layer. I felt the color was too overpowering. So in the next layer, I mixed in white to make it look softer. But then, what is this? Gosh, it looked horrible, like a patchwork of some sort. So I thought I should let loose a bit and mixed up the color more. In the end, I painted further with white on top of it to make it look hazy and soft. Now back to the gorilla. Here I started to deepen the color of his eyes, paying attention to painting a darker tone for the corners of the eyes. And the front of the eyeball would bear a lighter tone of brown, so that the eyes would look round instead of flat. Next, same with the first layer, I painted in the darkest tone for the creases on one side of his face. Then I painted in grays and blended it with the black so that it doesn't have a distinct edge. The same went for the left side of his face. This side of his face receives slightly more light, so the tone I painted for the left eyebrow has a slightly lighter value. Subsequently, I continued to work on the fur. I now really appreciate the pros to mix my own black instead of using the black straight from the tube. It looks more natural when I can mix it to be either a warmer black or a cooler black. In this painting, I wanted a warmer black, but I made a mistake on the next layer when I attempted to accentuate the dark creases. My black was too blue and it looked different from the black in this layer. I tried to correct it. Hopefully it won't be that visible when it's dry. Here I added in more fine creases under its eyes, and then I painted in the highlights on some area. When this layer was dried, as I mentioned, I tried to accentuate the dark creases further. I also painted another layer of fur. This would be the last part, and this was where I would be adding some individual finer fur. I also used dry brush to soften the individual strands of hair so that it won't look a bit out of place. And there you go, my juvenile gorilla. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would be really appreciated if you could give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!